Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel again. Okay, today I'm going to do maintenance for the Xmax 300. I'm going to do oil change. As I mentioned in my earlier video, I always like to do my own oil change if I can, unless there's really no choice lah, for whatever reason. Okay, reason why, I know some workshop, it's not the workshop, it's the mechanic. There's some good mechanic, there's some bad one. If you're unlucky, sometimes you get a bad one. Simple oil change also they can mess up. So today I just thought I want to document how I usually change my engine oil, especially for Xmax. It's very simple and also not so much oil. Okay, we go through together. See you guys. Okay guys, I'm going to drain the Xmax engine oil. Okay, Xmax using size 12. You got this panel will be good. Okay, I already untighten it. Okay, normally when towards the end, I like to use my finger because I don't want this thing to drop inside the oil. Okay, let it drain. Some people like to open the refill cap of engine oil before they drain, but I don't like I don't want dirt or dust to go in, so I never open that side. I just drain first. Quite dark and this is only 2000 plus kilometer. It's quite dark already. Usually I drag until 3000, sometimes even 4000, but today since I'm free, I just thought I want to sayang my Xmax a bit more, so I just change quite early. See, the mileage is only about, the oil mileage is about 2003 kilometer. I just drain because I see from the window it didn't drain. I mean, it didn't go low, but the color a bit kopi O already, so I decided to just drain. Anyway, for this last oil change, I changed with the shop that I bought the Xmax, which I rarely use the free servicing. After 7-8 months I own this Xmax, I still got the coupon so the last change I decided to use and I still like not so satisfied with the mechanic. So this time round, this is mobile one, by the way, semi-synthetic, the currently that draining. Okay, I'm going to put a different oil. Later I will open the oil filter also, change the oil filter. Yes, size 10. Use finger. I'm not really that handy person but I just like to DIY my own self I got no automotive background or what just that I learn, I see mechanic do, especially a good mechanic, and I learn some of my mechanic friends from my mechanic friends. The last one we need to be careful I don't want the screw to drop. Okay, later we'll clean all the covers must clean. What with cloth or paper towel also can. I use both cloth and paper towel so oily. when it's time to change the ring better change my one still good, so I don't change first. Just clean. Drain from the oil filter, then through the oil filter. Drain first lah, if not your paper tissue, paper towel also cannot absorb too many oil inside the filter. This oil filter from shop I don't know whether good or not. Go to the dustbin. Okay guys, this is the most important part. This is why some mechanic they lazy to do, they don't bother to clean the outside, the oil filter, clean the inside also. Clean. So if there's any tiny dirts or metals or what, you clean it out. So your new fresh oil will be really fresh, never mix with the old dirts. Okay, clean. Before you put your new oil filter, you clean first. Okay. Ready. By the way, earlier on I changed my SIM engine oil already. The SIM more easier, no engine oil. No oil filter. So very easy. Okay, now see the oil keep coming give it a while but if you got no time, you cannot wait, then proceed to change. See the oil keep coming out. Alamak, raining difficult to hear my voice tadi. Okay lah, don't be so careful can already lah. You can already. Okay guys, the most important, original oil filter if you don't know whether your oil filter is original or not, just get it from Hong Leong or Auto Machinery okay, the hole need to be inside, make sure got spring the hole need to be inside. Okay, then you know it's original. No lah, I mean then you know if there's spring there's higher chance it's original lah. Okay, cover I change already I clean, not I change, I clean already. Okay, so now the screw also if it get oily clean I wipe already just now behind the camera. Oil filter is settled. Okay, now okay guys, the boat also I clean already just now. Right. Okay, if you're not sure, always use finger first, so your boat will never go in sideward or what. Important if not later your thread can really koyak. It happened to me before on my old Xmax. That's why I know the orbital screw. So fast tight already. Okay, the oil filter is normal after you tighten everything, no matter how much you clean, there was still in the beginning there was some oil coming out here, seep through but it's okay. Later after you wipe after a while it's gone by itself it won't leak anymore always like that, don't know why. I've been noticing it. The most important, this one tight already. This one normally the top is a bit tighter. If you got top wrench here better. You can set the top, follow the spec, it will be better. Okay, done. So now I'm going to refill the oil. If you follow manual with oil filter change, it's supposed to be 1.6, but I always like to check the glass as I pour, because I don't want to overfill, which what I notice a lot of mechanic do. This is why I hate. Sometimes they put 1.6, like you cannot even see the oil go down when you start your bike. You start also the oil never go down, which means overfill already. Overfill if I'm not wrong, can go to inside the air intake to air filter box. So see, you change yourself, you can sayang a bit. Just put whatever oil you like lah. Maybe if fully synthetic can drag further a bit. If semi, change like 2000 plus 3000. Don't drag too long if semi synthetic. For me, I know lah. Singapore use, I just use semi also, I don't mind. But if I go touring then I'll use fully. Okay, now it's 1 liter already. Okay, 1 liter until like that. Not enough. Okay, more. Okay, seems like okay already, right? But what I like to do, after I see the line okay, I try to start for a while. I will start the bike. Okay, the oil will go down. Oil will go to the engine. Oh, quite low, it go down. See, go back up until where? Which means still not enough. Okay, a bit more. A bit more. I like to hit the top line. Okay, last bit more. Okay, just nice. The top line, that's what I like. Okay, look good. Okay guys, so the old oil, what do you do? Okay, don't anyhow throw. And also if you do any maintenance and if you spill, make sure wipe clean. I didn't spill anything today, very good. So I don't need to clean the floor. Try not to spill okay. Okay, this oil I will pour back inside old bottle, old engine oil bottle. Okay, and the bottle I will close tight, bring to any bike shop, your favorite bike shop, pass them this kopi O inside the bottle and buy them some real kopi O lah, to be generous with them lah, because they help you throw. If they never charge you anything, buy them kopi lah. Okay, so that's it lah. I'm going to pour the oil now. Very boring already lah. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.